Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rahmat Zaki with name 2023-32107. I'm from Information System Class B. In this video, I will explain the process of implementing tuple components in a 2D Unity game, the camera follow system, and the player movement system. These features are essential to ensure smooth gameplay, where the camera tracks the player movement and the player can navigate the game world interactively. Okay, to the VS Code to make code. Number 1, step to implement camera follow and player control. Setting up the player game object or burung. Number 1, create a 2D object name is burung to act as the main character. Add the following component: rigid body, 2D and rigid body 2D is enable physics and allow jumping. Box slider 2D is for collision detection. Number 3, create an empty chill game object called is deteksi tanah or used for ground detection. Place slightly below the character. Create a sysub script named perkutut, then attach it to the burung object. Pass the following core logic in the script. Public class perkutut monobian behavior and this script allows the player move. This code or this script allow the player to move left or right, jump if ground, flip the character speed depending on movement direction, and lose nyawa if certain conditions are met. Next, to implementing camera follow script. Select the main camera in the scene. Create a new script named camera and attach it to the camera. Use the following script. Public camera class camera follow monobian behavior. Public transform target. Public vector 3 offset. New vector 3 public float smooth speed. Void let update. If target is null, return vector 3 desired position. Is target position is offset. Vector smooth position is vector alert. Transform position, desired position, smooth speed, smooth position point Z, offset point Z, transfer position is smooth position. And the inspector assign the burung object to the target field. Adjust the offset value to set how far the camera so follow. Number 2, script function explanation. Go to perkutut player controller script. Start initialize the rigid body to be used for physics-based jumping. Update handles movement with case A and D. Movement A and D. Jumping using Y only when touching the ground or tanah. This ground detection using physics to the overlap circle. Sprite flipping to make the bird face left or right. Hold check destroy the player object if nyawa reach 0 or 0. Purpose is to create a functional and interactive player character with smooth control. Number 2.B camera follow, camera tracking script. Target is reference to the player object. Offset is distance between the camera and player, mostly on Z-axis. Let update is insert the camera follow the player after the player moves. Factor 3 lerp is used for smooth camera movement and avoid jittering. The purpose is maintains the camera centered on the player and allow continuous tracking as the player moves through the level. Number 3. Closing statement from me that concludes my practical implementation and explanation of camera follow and player movement feature in Unity. These two components and are fundamental for 2D side-scrolling games. Ensure proper gameplay mechanic and feasibility. Thank you for your attention. Maaf jika banyak kekurangan kata-kata atau kurang jelas. Sekian dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.